Okie dokie. On the bench today, we got a dirty one. No idea whether it works or not. As you can see, it is quite filthy. That clean spot right there is literally from my thumb. That's how dirty that is. Okay, so honestly, I don't know how to approach this. Whether I should test to see if it works before tearing it down or not. I'm sure there's a way to tell whether this is a one chip or not, but I can't. I don't remember what the code will be. I don't know if there's not supposed to be an N or what, but you know, all in all, the shell itself. Oh, I hear some stuff rattling in there, but that's probably just stuff from inside there, no doubt. Something's gotten in there. That doesn't look too bad. That honestly does not look too bad. Maybe what I'll do first is remove the top so I can get into it and look, and then maybe hook it up and just see if it works. Okay, I figured we can do this together. Let's get her cracked open here. I was expecting to hear a snap there, but I didn't. Yeah, that's weird. Somebody been in here before? Normally you would hear that, what we call a virgin snap, but I'm not hearing that. That's kind of wild. None of them? Really? That is quite strange. Okay, that one did. Huh. Okay, that one did. Those other four didn't. Huh. That's very strange. So let's just be haphazard here and dump them all out here. How many we got? 1, 2, 3. Where's the rest? 3. I swear I heard that drop. Or not. So these ones didn't want to come out. Come on out. Oh, I see that RF is that RF port's pretty rough. I just noticed that right now. Yeah, that RF port's pretty rough. Come on out. Ooh, okay. Ooh, that's pretty wild. Oh, actually, that in there doesn't look too bad at all. Let me just throw that off to the side for a second here. There's another one. It should be, unless it came out already. Nope. Oh, I hear that rattling. That's should be right here. That one didn't want to come out, eh? There it goes. Alrighty, let's get a look in here. And honestly, I mean, it doesn't look too bad. I do believe this is a one chip, which is good because it's worth more. Fuse looks intact. Let me get you zoomed in a little better here, a little more focused. Yeah, honestly, I mean, everything does look okay in here. I mean, honestly, it looks really good. I mean, look at the board. The board looks board actually looks okay. I mean, everything in here, maybe a little bit of shit somewhere, but whatever. But yeah, there's not much dust in here. I don't see very many bugs or anything, which is always good. Yeah, everything looks all right here. So, button seems good. Reset seems good. I don't see a ton of corrosion. I don't see any leaking caps. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to remove the rest of it. You guys don't want to see that crap, right? Or maybe you do. I don't know. Yeah, let me remove the rest of this here. You know, it's just removing this bar and all the other fun stuff here. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I got it all apart here. And, yeah, all in all, it looks... Oh, hey, we got our friend the mouse poop. Everything I touch, I swear, has mouse poop in it. Okay. Well, we're gonna have to wash this, so I might as well remove that right now. Might as well remove. Get you sat down here, if I can. We don't know how this goes. All right, so we'll remove this. Ribbon cable looks good. You got a little yellowing, I guess. It's not bad. Other than that, no, that looks all right. So let me move that off to the side, and let's see what kind of board we have. Do we have a 1 chip? Do we not? That's got to come straight up, does it not? It does. And we don't. Oh well. No big deal. Yeah, other than that, I mean, it all looks good. I don't see. I mean, that's just normal, right? Other than that, that all looks all right. And like I said, the board itself looks good. Should I remove that? Probably, eh? 1, 2 plus the 7805 plus that one. Bottom of the board looks good. Yeah, I don't really see anything really rough in there. This could end up to be a winner. Okay. Shit, should we test it real quick? Probably, right? So, maybe what I'll do is... Man, I wish there was replacement chips for this, you know. The RAM is no problem here. I mean, you can find that RAM damn near anywhere. But sound chips don't normally go bad. But these PPUs and this work RAM, I don't know if there is replacements for that, or if that's custom work RAM or not. I don't know if that's a custom package or not. It could be. If that work RAM goes bad, that's shit too. No, that all looks all right. Okay, let me get this put to the side as well. No big deal there. Yeah, give me 2 seconds. I'll get it all hooked up, and we'll see at least if it runs. I'm gonna have to grab a cart. I don't know where my carts are, but give me a second here. Okay, we'll do it with Street Fighter 2 Turbo here. We're just gonna do quick and dirty. I guess I'll test the controller port later. I don't really give a shit right this second. Let me get the power, and then we'll get audio and video. We'll just do 1 channel for now. Yeah, give me 2 seconds. Okay, just one more thing I want to make note of is this here. I hate seeing that. I mean, how long has that been like that? Like a fucking pretzel. Yeah, I just want to make note of that real quick. That is absolutely horrible, especially on these old cables. I mean, that's rough. I had to sign a waiver saying I wouldn't sue them, and that's not a joke. So, let me get this started here. And I mean right in. Literally right in. We'll get a little more soap on the top. We'll let this fill up so it submerges, and I'll be back. Okay, so while the shell dries, what we're going to do here is throw a little deoxit down here. Not that I notice there's an issue, but, you know, this is going to freaking go everywhere, isn't it, with one hand? It is. Give me 2 seconds here. It's just going to go everywhere. I know it. So let's just get in here. Right from the front here. A little spray down there. Let's get a little spray down the power switch. I know you guys probably can't see shit, but that's still plugged in, isn't it? It is. Let me remove the power here, just so I can rock that power switch back and forth here. Let's get this reset button pressed a bunch. And we got a little Q-tip here just to clean up some of the overspray here. It's not much, but just a little bit here. Get in here. Let me get some of this shit out of here. I mean, you're in here. You might as well do it, right? Okie dokie. Let me put the power back. Perfect. Buzzy, buzzy. That's just the setup here. Oh, stop complaining. Yeah, okay. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, so let me go and get the shell. Make sure it's all nice and dry. Put it back together, and we should be good to go here. I don't know if you guys want to see that or not, but, you know. A couple of screws, a little wash, good to go. Okie dokie, how's that for a clean? Now, we still got some scuffs here, right? A couple of scuffs around the edge here, right? But let's get it back together, because this is all surface now. So I'm going to get it back together, and then we'll handle these couple of scuffs here. There's not many. There's a few right here, which you might not be able to see on camera, but I see them. So a couple of scuffs here, and like I said, here, right? But let me get it back together. You shut that down, pull you out here. And yeah, I mean, this came out beautifully. I mean, that's what it's supposed to look like, right? So let's get it back together, and we'll work on this here. Okay, tell me that doesn't look better. Alrighty, so let's take care of these scuffs here. I know it's hard to see them, but they are definitely there. You can definitely see that. So let's verify. Let's make sure everything is good. Put you down here, back you up, get you sat in there. Let's get a cart in. If it's good, eject. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, let's get some power to it. Let's make sure that we're good here. Okay, we got power light. What did I do with audio and video? I have no idea. Okay, we have audio and video. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Beautiful. Okay. Let's get a controller in and let's verify that our controller's still good. Yep, we are good. Oh yeah. Okay. We're just gonna do this just real quick here. I know you guys can't see. I know you guys can't see shit, so. Whoop. Make sure, just remember, just making sure all the buttons are good. Good, good, good. Oh yeah, okay. So we are definitely okay here. I know you guys probably still can't see shit, but you know how we roll. Excellent. We're good. We're good. We're good. Okay, perfect. So put that off to the side. Pull that over. Eject that. That's a good eject now. So let's see if I can't take care of some of the scuff marks here. Okay, give me 2 seconds. I'll be right back, and we'll see if we can't clean it up a little more. Okay, so actually, that came out very well. See, there's one little, oh, that might even just be, hold on here. See, there's one little spot. It's actually better for me to see like this than it is with my eyes, but let's see if we can't get rid of that absolutely completely. And it looks like we did. So all I'm going to do is just go around to these little tiny spots here that still have some ingrained crap in it, and really take care of that. And yeah, next time you see this, she'll be good to go. I don't know, can you guys spot anything else here? No, that looks no, yeah, that looks beautiful. Yeah, there we go. There we go. That looks, I mean, besides the little scuff marks there where, you know, things been treated like shit for the last 20 years. Yeah, I'd say all in all, that is a win. So let me go ahead and get some back to black on it. We'll be good to go. Okay, that is freaking beautiful. Whoever gets this is going to be lucky. So, again, we're just verifying. Yes, we're good. So I wasn't going to, on camera. I wasn't going to clean the controller, but, I mean, why not, right? I mean, you're here for the ride. Let's go all the way. So we'll just unplug this fun stuff here. All right, no need for that. And again, I mean, just how nice that actually turned out is freaking gorgeous. That's what you want your Super to look like, right? Okay, so let me get this out of the way. We'll bring the controller in. We'll tear it down. It's going to have to go for a wash, obviously. You see the state of it. And I'll be right back. Okay, we'll go with the controller. And again, you see just how filthy it actually is. I mean, it's not nice. I do see, you know, the typical wear here of it being placed face down. I do notice the select button's got a wicked gash out of it. So I probably won't sell this controller with it, but I mean, I don't mind. That doesn't bother me. I can just give one of my controllers along with it. So that's no big deal. That's not going to bother me whatsoever. If I ever needed another rubber, I'm sure I could come across another one that's, you know, that's an easy swap. But we're going to clean this up anyways. Just because if I'm going to use it, well, I'd rather not use it in this state. All right, so we'll start here. Ooh, that's loose automatically. Wow. Somebody may have been into this one for sure. Is that even going in? Ooh, that one. Okay, that's a little rough here, that one. Oh yeah, this is just absolutely straight full of crap. I mean, that's kind of expected, right? I mean, this is what's in everybody's hands since the beginning, right? These ones don't seem too bad, but that top one here, oof. Either that or it's a little rusty, maybe. Oh, she's coming. She's coming. She's coming. I'm sure there's a joke in there somewhere. Which ones are left here? What do we got? What is holding you together? This one here, the bottom one. And the top one? Nope, nope, okay. There we go. We got that done. Is there tons of crap in there? Actually, no. That's freaking surprising. Okay, we'll put that off to the side. We'll take a look at the board here real quick. Oh, that looks good. You know what's funny is I can never remember, and when I first got this system when I was a kid, I got it launch Christmas, right? So that would have been, what, a couple of months after launch? I always remember, let me take these out here. See if I can't show you here. Watch those pins. Don't lose those pins. That'll be the end of the L&R for you. I always remember, I don't know if you can see that. You can. There's the R, right? I remember them being colored. Now, I'm sure some controllers are like that, but this one is embossed, right? And I don't remember them being embossed. This might be a later revision of it. Wish there was a way to tell. I mean, they all say 91 and made in Japan. I don't know if other ones later on were made in Mexico or what, but I always remember those being colored. Okay, so let's remove this. That honestly does not look bad at all. I mean, was this player 2 controller and not really used? Could be. Yeah, even the top L&R, I mean, I don't see a ton of crap going on here. So let's just remove all this. This is all got to go in the bath. That's all got to go in the bath. And I mean, besides being dirty, man, I don't see any of those rubbers ripped or anything. Not a bonus. Yeah, that looks good. Again, this is good. These are going to be filthy. They always are, right? So yeah, okay. Yeah, I mean, those are always full of the classic hand hash, right? Okay, we'll get all of this here in some hot soapy water. Get it all. Oh, that's neat. Have I never noticed that before? Wait a second here. You can see, I remember them being detailed, but this is purple, yellow, green, and blue. Blue, red, purple, yellow, green, whatever. But it also says lavender. Oh, and purple, yeah, lavender and purple. So this shell was meant for both regions, all three regions, I guess. North American, Japanese, and European. See, that makes me think that this was an early revision. I don't know. That's something I'll have to do more detail on, or more research on. If you guys know, I mean, let me know in the comments. That's great. I mean, you can't know everything, right? Or at least remember everything. So, yes, let's get this all... Oh, yeah, that's some good hand hash in there. Let's get this all cleaned up, and I'll be back. Tell me that doesn't look much better. Now, the board's not in it, so all the buttons are still, sunk in here. But again, the board doesn't look bad at all. Like, the board looks really, really good. So I'll just go over it very, very lightly with a dry Q-tip, only because you don't want to remove the carbon, right? And that can happen, and that can cause you nothing but trouble. So let me get it back together. See, I'm really glad that I'm not going to sell this controller with it, because as you can see, I mean, that is wildly chewed up, right? And there are some stains that I just couldn't get out. Like, those are rough. Right? I don't know what exactly that is. So, I mean, it's not everywhere, right? But again, I'd rather this be mine than somebody else's, especially when you're selling a console, right? So, give me 2 seconds. Let me put this back together. And, oh, you know what I should do here is, you're wondering why this cloth is out. So, spray this with some good old isopropyl and run down the cord, because this cord is disgusting as well. I mean, you can see just how bad that is. So I'll clean all this up, and then next thing you know, it'll be all back together. So that's what came off the cord. Yeah, I'd say that was absolutely filthy. All right, let's get it back together, and we'll finish this up. Okie dokie, there we go. It's all cleaned up. But I mean, it came out all right. I will say that, I mean, those don't seem too bad. For some reason, the X button seems a little on the soft side. I mean, that's could be from the rubber. I mean, but if you flip it, it's probably the B button. Is that what it was, right? So, but yeah, all in all, I mean, that came out great. I mean, not bad for a console that looked like complete shit, right? Okay, so that'll end it here. You guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you in the next one.